So we'll take a quick look at the Lezyne glueless patch kit. You pick these up on Amazon or eBay, a couple of quid. Tells us what we get in it. So we get a tyre boot, more on that in a minute. We get 6 patches and we get 1 scrubber. So we'll just compare that to a normal traditional puncture repair kit. So you can see that. There it is. You could probably get that inside the box, and you've only got this, so you don't have to be carrying all that lot around with you. Everything's in this small plastic wallet type thing. So there we have the scrubber, so that is just for rubbing up the surface of the inner tube before you put your patch on. And then we have 6 patches. Just peel them off, press on in the middle, and then work your way out. I have used these before, but not for a long time. And then we have our tyre boot. So this thing, there is some instructions on it, but basically all it's for is if you got a nip or a hole in your tyre, you would put that on the inside of the tyre, and then the tube would go against the other side of it, preventing you getting another puncture through the hole or nip or whatever you've got in your tyre. And then all that fits back snugly into the little plastic wallet, and that'll go in your bag or slot into your pocket.